Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to import a custom chain certificate to the Big IP system and configure an SSL profile to use it. Chain certificates are used to help systems that depend on SSL certificates for peer identification. Chain certificate creates a chain of trust between the certificate authority, or CA, that signed the certificate and the CA that is already trusted by the recipient of the certificate. This allows the recipient to verify the validity of the certificates presented even when the signing CA is unknown. This video shows you how to use the Big IP configuration utility to import chain certificates and how to configure an SSL profile to use the certificate. It does not cover creation of custom certificates. For detailed information about chain certificates and how to create custom chain certificates, refer to this article linked below. To import chain certificates to the Big IP system, log into the configuration utility, go to System, Certificate Management, Traffic Certificate Management, SSL Certificate List. Select Import. For import type, select Certificate. Enter a unique certificate name. Select Choose File and browse to the location of the certificate or certificate bundle. To import the certificate or certificate bundle to the Big IP system, select Import. You can configure a client SSL or server SSL profile to use the imported chain certificate. Any virtual servers that use the configured SSL profile will present the configured chain certificate. Note that F5 advises against editing default SSL profiles. Instead, create custom profiles from defaults and use a custom parent profile for consistent non-default settings in child profiles. To configure the SSL profile, log into the configuration utility. Go to Local Traffic, Profiles, SSL. Select Client or Server. Select the name of the client SSL or server SSL profile that you want to update. If it is not already selected, select Custom for the certificate keychain. In the certificate keychain box, select the appropriate site certificate and key pair that require the custom chain certificate. Select Edit. For chain, select the appropriate custom chain certificate. Select OK. To save the modifications, select Update. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.